This is a butterfly. It has big, colorful wings and loves flowers. This is a firefly. It glows in the dark like a tiny light bulb. This is a ladybug. It's red with black spots and brings good luck. This is a dragonfly. It flies super fast and has shiny wings. This is a grasshopper. It jumps very high in the grass. This is a praying mantis. It looks like it's praying with folded hands. This is a stick insect. It looks just like a twig to hide. This is a leaf insect. It looks just like a green leaf. This is a caterpillar. It eats leaves and will become a butterfly. This is the atlas moth. It's one of the biggest moths in the world. This is a silkworm. It makes soft silk thread. This is a cicada. It sings loudly in the summer. This is a cricket. It makes chirping sounds at night. This is a bee. Bees make honey and help flowers grow. This is a leafcutter ant. It cuts leaves and carries them home. This is an ant. Ants work together and live in big families. This is a dung beetle. It rolls balls of dung with its legs. This is a scarab beetle. Ancient people thought it was special. This is a tiger beetle. It runs faster than any other insect. This is a stag beetle. It has big horns like a deer. This is a weevil. It has a funny long nose. This is a hornet. It's bigger than a bee and very strong. This is the giant hornet. It's strong and has powerful wings. This is a wasp. It looks like a bee, but has a strong sting. This is a locust. They travel in big groups and eat crops. This is a termite. Termites live in big groups and eat wood. This is a mosquito. It buzzes near us and likes to sip blood. This is a housefly. It flies everywhere looking for food.